Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. So today we are going to unbox another product from Woodpecker, which is an LED light cure unit, which is a 1 second light cure unit. Yes, you guessed it right. So what we get inside the box, let's see. But before that, let me tell you, this indoor motor looks amazing. I've already made another video of a light cure system that is from the Waldent Max Cure 9, which I have already uploaded in my previous video, so I will give a link in the description. And therefore I love this light cure unit than the Waldent, because this light cure unit looks amazing, looks very agile, ergonomically it is very good, and overall the design concept of this light is amazing. Though both the lights work same, both the lights have same intensity, both the lights has two LED system, but if you consider a look department, I will give a vote for this Woodpecker. So without any further talking, let's see the unboxing first, and then I will talk afterwards. So that's all for the today video, that is the Woodpecker Light. So I feel myself very down, because if I saw that light before, I would definitely bought that one instead of buying the Walden Max U9, because that light, Woodpecker Light, is looking much more better than this one. But what's the sense? We all work for the cause, we work for the features, we work for each and everything we get in this inside a machine that we operate. So both the light cure works same, both the light cure has good intensity, good battery life, each and everything is same. But if you consider a look, premium build quality, I will definitely give a thumbs up to the Woodpecker over the Walden, because Walden is also having a good premium feel. But if you see both the light cure side by side, you all guys will vote for the Woodpecker like me. So that's all for today. It's definitely on for you. It's definitely on you that which light cure you choose between those two. So yes, that's all for today. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.